Demystifying Verb Conjugation, a deep dive into English suffixes. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to take a fascinating journey into the world of English verb conjugation with a special focus on how suffixes play a critical role in the process. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand and apply a variety of common English suffixes that form verbs. Let's get started. When we talk about verb conjugation, we're discussing how verbs change according to tense, mood, voice, aspect, person, and number. Suffixes, the letters or group of letters added at the end of a word, often indicate these changes. For example, the simple past tense often uses the ed suffix, as in walked. Now, let's take a closer look at some common suffixes that help in forming verbs. Some examples include ate, as in activate, eyes, as in realize, n, as in strengthen, and ify, as in intensify. Notice how these suffixes change the root word into a verb, enabling us to express different actions or states. It's now time to get hands-on with some exercises. We'll start with an example, and then you can try some on your own. Root word, legal, plus suffix, eyes, equals verb, legalize. Root word, specific, plus suffix, ity, equals verb, specify. Now, try these. Root word, simple, plus suffix, equals verb. Root word, actual, plus suffix, equals verb. Remember, the idea is to use the suffixes we've discussed to form a verb from the root words provided. Did you find the correct verbs? Let's check. Root word, simple, plus suffix, ify, equals verb, simplify. Root word, actual, plus suffix, eyes, equals verb, actualize. How did you do? Keep practicing and you'll see how suffixes can dramatically expand your vocabulary. Thank you for joining us today on our exploration of English verb conjugation and suffixes. We hope this video has helped you understand how suffixes form verbs and has given you some valuable practice in applying this knowledge. Remember, language learning is a journey. So keep exploring, keep learning, and, above all, have fun. See you in our next video.